YouTube Wagwan, man, you're tuning into Click React, and today we got a banger for you guys, man. It's called Find the Gold Digger, Kenny edition, you know what I'm saying? So we're just going to be going through with the challenge, trying to see if we can find the person in the lineup that's a gold digger. It's 5 girls, 1 guy. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, drop a like. You can do all this right now. You don't even have to get into the video. Just do that right now, man. And let me know if you think you would have found the gold digger. We're just getting right into it, man. I'll see you guys later.
They're interested in Kenny.
I'm here for love.
I'm here for love.
I'm here for love.
Oh, she's not.
I'm here for love.
But only one of them is telling the truth. The rest of them are here for money. Kenny's job is to spend time with these girls.
That one in
find
that
out who is
fur
here
coat
for
is
love.
not it.
Each round, one girl is eliminated until the final girl is chosen. And we're here to sit and support to help our friend find love.
For example, you're with Kenny, and he's got a fight coming up in 2 months' time, and he says for the next 2 months, no sex. Is that all right? Would you cheat?
Would you cheat? That's a no sex. Would you cheat? Why? Okay, first of all, because they're gonna go. You know, I'll be honest with you, Sharky. I probably would cheat on your friend.
I don't really go 2 months without sex. It's 1 month, but it's a good question. Maybe 3 weeks. 2, depending on how horny I am.
It wouldn't bother me. I won't cheat. I can wait.
Liar.
I don't think it would bother me. I'm loyal to the soil.
You guys are loyal to the soil.
Loyal to the soil basically means to the ground.
But soil
I think I needed to paint that out for them.
can be dug up.
Yeah. Next few months,
True. That's big facts. You
the
know?
soil's in someone else's house doing a madness. on next to the windowsill, growing flowers.
Loyal to the rock would have been better.
How about I'm loyal to the moon and back then?
To the moon and back.
To infinity and beyond.
All right, fair enough. You got me. You got
Easy
me.
He's
buds.
such a capster.
No, I can wait. I'm patient.
What if it was not 2 months, but he's training for this fight for 14 years?
Man said 14 years.
Well, he definitely wouldn't wait for us, so I'm not going to wait for him for 14 years.
Loyal to infinity and beyond, huh? That's not infinity and beyond.
Number 5.
Oh, get over it. Let's have another dream.
All right, so Kenny's actually watching from above right now.
What, was he dead?
He might. I don't know what happened to him. I didn't see him come up. Look at the barrel of the lens over here, and tell him what would you do if you could take him out on a date.
I would take Kenny to a private boxing ring and we would take lessons together.
Oh.
And then we'd have like a little picnic in the ring.
Okay, she lost it picnicking.
Yeah.
What's she on about?
And we'd eat little biscuits and drink wine. And then we'd have a projector and then we'd watch a film together.
Hey, yo, I think I'm getting in love now.
Sit your ass down, man.
Nice, I like
What, the wine? The wine?
Oh, no, not the wine. Not the wine, no. I thought it was like a literal, I thought it was catching the wine. Hey, Sharky, chill out,
Shut
man.
up.
I'd actually give him the option if he would want to, I'd fly him out.
You got me feeling like a bad bee.
Flying where?
Big money, guy.
Even if he wants to go to the moon, I'll fly him there.
Right, I need to find a girl that won't fly me out.
To the moon.
I'd probably take him roller skating. Like, that's one of my hobbies anyway.
Kenny actually has a massive fear of roller skating.
I do. I can't roller skate.
I guess we're not going roller skating then.
Dreaming?
I would go simple. I'd take him to a comedy club, maybe. It's quite fun. Or if we're gonna go crazy, maybe like a water park.
No, Kenny can't actually swim.
Really? God.
How can you not
Wow.
swim and do boxing? That doesn't make sense.
Ask him
How can you not swim and do boxing?
You can teach him how to swim, maybe.
Yeah, I will do all the things he wants me to do.
I like the sound of that.
I'll give him a nice massage after the boxing match, you know.
What, have I have yet? Chill out.
We need to be good friends to Kenny and get out one of the imposters right now.
I'd say get out 4, man. She's way too tall. I can't deal with a girl taller than me.
Yeah, but what if she's not an imposter, brother?
She didn't, yeah, you're right.
And she tried to get past that, like all the other questions. We still got her right now.
Number 3 does acting as well. Remember that? Yeah. And
Oh.
what do you think about number 4? She got King Kenny TV spot on.
Yeah, but she also wants to kill my brother doing roller skating, you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's true. She
Because
didn't know.
you know what happened last
It's
time.
so funny. They're moving like they can't hear them.
My vote lies on number 3.
Yeah, they
You're voting me
know.
out.
Why did you give me that energy?
Because I'm flipping real, mate. I ain't telling no lies. You'll find out later.
I was gonna vote for number 5.
Oh.
Why is none of them choosing 4?
Yeah.
Just spice it up a little bit, because there's one vote on 3, one vote on 5. Vote for number 1.
Your reason for coming on the shoot just didn't make any sense. So I'm sorry, number 5.
Oh no.
But I'm just gonna have to send you back to Dreamworld.
Thank you. Honestly, thank you.
Honestly, thank you. She don't want to be
Yeah,
at
she
them.
was like, yeah, Kenny's disgusting.
We've done a job now to help Kenny. I think we should go back upstairs and let Kenny do the rest, right?
Well done, guys. Thank you very much.
Hopefully
decide who he thinks is here for love.
All right, bring in the first date.
All right, Kenny, you got this.
Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Hello.
You smell nice.
Okay, Kenny, you just take
Oh,
it away.
she
We're just
is
gonna
so
watch you
mad
do your
when-
work.
Why did you say you were interested in me again?
I said that you had a cheeky smile.
No, she knew someone personally.
You mentioned you knew someone personally that knows me, so
Yeah, that was a lie.
that was a lie.
You said you're honest, you don't lie, you're loyal to the soil.
You said you don't lie and you're loyal to the soil.
I am loyal to the soil, but you gotta fake it till you make it, you know?
So what's a white lie? Cheating?
So what's a white lie? Cheating?
No, I would never do that.
Hey, she wants your money. Try and make her like work for you. Try and make her flirt. And obviously, don't ask her outright, but just try and like.
She should be raising you up, Ken.
You've started out on a bad note. You've lied to me.
But I feel like I can make that up though. I can give you a
So do
massage
that
right
then.
now.
Yes.
Yeah, right now.
Okay.
This
Hey,
girl
take a
is
jump
moving
up,
like
take a
she's a
jump up, take a
professional
jump up.
masseuse.
Do you want me to help you take that off?
Yeah, please.
Hey, take a t-shirt. Take a t-shirt. Take a t-shirt.
Oh yeah, that's the spot.
I can feel that you're so muscly.
Yeah.
Muscly.
Oh babe, that feels so good.
Start moaning. Start moaning.
Oh.
Okay, that's a bit weird now.
Do a deep one. Do a deep one.
That's not
Okay,
a
yeah,
moan.
no, I'm stopping that now.
Oh, Kenny, man.
Wait,
Oh,
not
that wasn't
happy
a
ending with
moan.
a massage, no?
No.
Say that. Just banter. Stick a tongue out.
I'm just joking. That was banter. Alright, give me a hand. I couldn't really pinpoint where you're actually from.
I'm originally from Birmingham.
Oh, disgusting. I'd send her home.
That is already a red flag. Birmingham.
What? I actually live down here now.
Oh, you live here?
Yeah, but I've lived in London for like 4 years. Doesn't make me a red flag. Your boys are a red flag. How about that?
Say you keep hating on my boys, and you said they're red flags.
She
Which
got
one
a
is the
lot of
biggest red flag?
attitude.
So you keep hating on my boys, and you said they're red flags. So which one would you say is the biggest red flag?
The one that called me the gold digger when he walked out.
You don't know his name?
AJ.
I got you back, brother. I'm telling you right now, she wants some money.
I trust AJ with my whole heart.
Yeah.
That's a bad decision, Kenny.
Say
Yeah, I think so
but
too.
you're not
It's
really
bad.
rizzing me up.
But you're not really rizzing me up right now, so I don't really feel the love. Like the massage, there was no happy ending. What?
He's nuts. Why would he say that? Why would he say that? Why would he say that?
Wait, what's going on? What's going on? I usually like to end my dates, you know, with a kiss on the cheek.
I don't do kisses on the cheek. Not for the first date, so.
I feel like you haven't said anything nice to me.
I feel like you haven't said anything nice to me.
I'll
Facts,
give you a
bro.
moment now to compliment me.
I'll give you a moment to compliment me.
You're muscly.
That's it.
No, your smile said everything.
What else do you like? Come on.
What else do you like? Come on.
Do you like Sharky?
You like Sharky?
Yeah, like all your friends.
She just said she
She just said she
It's
hated
been a
us.
great date. I'll give you a hug before I go. Oh, before you go, sorry.
Take care.
Take care.
Love you.
Love you.
Love you too.
Oh, wow. She loves the bag, man.
All right.
Crazy.
The next date. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
How tall are you?
I'm 5'11".
5'11". Wow.
How tall are you?
6'1".
You're lying because she's taller than you.
And what do you do?
I'm a model and I also work part-time in retail just to push the bills
Hello.
for a level of privacy.
No, not possible.
That's not possible. My whole life is on the internet.
I'm gonna put my foot down just a little bit, just for a little while.
Just for a little while.
Yeah, and then we can introduce them slowly.
So, tell me about the rollerblading.
So obviously you said you wanted to take me out.
You wanted to
rollerblading
kill
for
me.
our first date, but unfortunately I can't rollerblade. So what was the alternative?
Well, I said we might just have to go for a little walk around London, you know, catch
don't
a
like
nice little
walking.
coffee.
You catch a coffee. It's gonna burn your hands.
Catch a nice little
What are
coffee.
your hobbies? I'm trying to figure out if you know we're compatible. So
I'm really into like a little adrenaline rush.
adrenaline rush.
Oh, tell her you'll take her on your plane.
I actually can fly planes.
Okay.
Yeah, I can fly up to 8-seater planes. So I
Okay.
think that would be a fun date.
So, what do you feel when you look at me?
I want to know, what do you feel when you look at me?
I feel a bit nervous, I'll be real.
Why?
I mean, you've got a beautiful energy.
Say, Kenny, I'm a bit of a freak.
Realistically, deep down, I am a bit of a freak. Are you a bit of a freak, like, if you know what I mean?
I mean, you're gonna have to find out.
Whoa.
No. Whoa.
It's getting hot in here, Jesus Christ.
Say, I really like things go well, and I want to know if you can give me a kiss on the cheek.
Like I said, it's going really well. I like your energy, I like your vibe. Before you go, a kiss on the cheek,
Go on then.
yeah?
Hey. Aye. Okay.
Come in.
You know what? Oh, come here. Oh, wow.
Grab the waist though, man.
Wow.
Ooh.
She's having wasted, ain't
Hey, yo, I'm dead.
Bye, babe.
It's nice meeting you.
I'm gonna miss you.
Kenny loved that last part.
Wow, she was great. I actually think I'm in love, so I'm in trouble. Boys, what do you think?
Hey, put your t-shirt a bit down, man. I can see a boner.
Thank you.
So I'll be honest with you.
All right, this is the
I'm feeling-
third.
And a whisper, I'm feeling you the most.
I'll be honest with you. I've been feeling you since round 1. I'm in love with you, so
That's too much.
Who told him to say that?
What the hell?
Yo.
what do you do again?
I'm a student.
Student, it was dance,
Science.
science, so you can dance, right?
Yeah.
You can dance.
Well, not.
Show us something quick.
Surely if you're a dance student, you can dance.
Yeah, but like where I train, it's like a conservatoire. So we do like ballet, we do contemporary. So it's a bit more like technical.
Can you get sturdy?
Oh no.
Do you even know what getting sturdy means?
You do that leg thing with your
Yeah,
leg.
come, let's do it. I'll show you how to
my
get sturdy.
heels.
Yeah, why not? I'll show you how to get sturdy.
He can't do it himself.
I can do like first position and stuff in ballet.
I'll show you how to get sturdy. Come on, man. Let's
Said.
You want to get sturdy like this? Start like this. Yeah. Yeah.
This guy's gonna make her break her neck.
by the way.
And then you start like this, and then you go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Is that steady?
Okay.
And then you turn around, slut drop.
Whoa.
Yeah!
What the fuck?
Thank you.
Well, you better stick to your boxing lessons.
Horror 1 out of 10.
-4.
Worst thing I've ever done in my life.
So tell me more about that picnic in the ring then.
So tell me more about, the picnic in the ring. That's where you said you take me on a date, right? We'll go to the ring,
Kenny, put your glasses on.
right?
Yeah.
So
Easy
you
Clark
love these
Kent.
glasses, right?
Sorry, you love these glasses, right?
Oh no.
You don't love them.
No.
Why are you setting him up for? Why are you setting him up for?
Yeah. Sabotage.
Sharky's the snake.
Sabotage. Who
Hey,
knew?
Kenny, take the glass off.
Take it off, take it off.
Sharky's trying to steal it from you.
Wait, what?
Take them off.
Sorry, I took them off. So what are you
Well, I like concerts, strictly old school R&B. So
Why
I
you
like
screaming in the
Usher,
man's
who's,
ear,
my
bro?
fave. Steering off R&B, I like 50 Cent. I went to see him in May as
I
well.
just want to kiss you right now, to be honest.
Please, you're making me nervous.
I like when I make you nervous.
But I like when I make you nervous. It turns me on.
Give me eye contact, babe.
Why are you looking away? Give me eye contact.
I can't. Usually I'm good with eye contact. I don't know why I'm fumbling today.
I can hold her hands.
Put your hand out. You shaking? Calm down. Don't shake. Come here. Hold my hand.
You
know what? I'm so
Yelis.
confident that it's you. Just, you know what to do right here.
I was taking the number now.
You're feeling it.
She's gonna say, fake number.
Okay.
This guy's stupid. Man.
He's such a virgin.
So, where are your parents from? Where are you from originally?
Jamaica and Antigua.
Same here.
Same here. I'm actually from there as well.
No, you're not.
What do you mean I'm not?
What, Jamaica or Antigua or both?
Both.
Both?
Yeah.
We might be cousins, say that.
We could potentially be cousins.
You idiot.
And I like that.
Yo, these guys are sick, bro.
Thank God.
Is your mum or your dad?
So my dad's Jamaican and my mum's from the other place, yeah.
You don't know the name of the other place.
No, because my dad's Jamaican. My dad's like fully
No
Jamaican.
way.
What's his name? What's his name?
And
What's his name?
His name's Orville.
That's my dad.
That's my dad's name. No way.
Say, are we siblings?
Yo.
Are we siblings?
That shit is funny.
I wouldn't even be surprised.
I say we have a slow dance to celebrate.
I think this date has gone very well. And before you go, I'd love to slow dance with you. Do you take mouth up?
Siblings reunited. And hopefully lovers soon.
Siblings reunited and hopefully lovers soon.
That shit is so funny, bro.
Is there music?
Okay.
They got on pretty well. Almost like they have the same blood.
Love you, baby. Always love you, baby.
Who he has picked.
Results time.
This was a very hard decision, and especially after the 3 dates I had. You know, they all went well, but there was one who I felt like there was a genuine connection.
Who's it gonna be?
The winner of this
The
video,
Jamaican girl.
the person who I think is genuinely interested in me, is Renee. Now wait, before you say anything, I'm gonna come up to you and ask you a question. Renee,
Please.
are you here for money or for love? If you're here for money, take the cash.
I'm here for money.
You idiot, we knew it.
No way.
What do we mean, no way? We oh. £3
It's the
now,
tall guy.
£3,000.
It's the tall
My
girl.
mind is absolutely.
We just keep losing.
So yeah, I got absolutely finessed for a
So
rack.
who was there?
And like Sharky and Chunks, I died for Nyash. But I do need to find out who is actually interested in me. So can the person who was here for love please
3.
step forward?
3. Oh wow.
No way.
What?
I know.
Babe, I'm so sorry.
We sent her out.
Big
Yeah.
to the face, but it's absolutely fine.
But I'm so confused right now.
You do look like she a gold digger.
We messed him up. That's the only one he didn't vote out.
Yeah.
We took her out.
So,
Yeah.
but your story, you said you had a dream.
Yeah, it was true. I had the dream. I woke up the next day and there was a casting call for this.
That's crazy, you know. And then wait, and why did you say honestly thank you?
So, okay, so the boys said before you left, you said, honestly, thank you. It sounded like you wanted to get out of it as soon as
Because
possible.
they weren't believing
I
her.
was joking.
Oh, you was joking.
I say, you still interested in me or?
Well, you still interested in me?
Yeah,
Oh,
obviously.
There we go, there we go, there we go, there we
I
go.
know.
Listen.
Another hug.
That is the game done. Obviously,
That
know
is
about
so
the game.
funny.
There's 3 losses now.
Say, should we all go on a group date now?
So, shut up, AJ. But there is one thing I would love for you to say.
Do you think you would have got that right? Because I honestly don't think I would have got that. That she was the one that was shooting. She looks like a good, a proper gold digger to me, realistically. But hey, man, that's why they say don't judge a book by its cover, man. I'll catch you guys later, though. Let me know what you guys thought. I'll see you soon.